you can change your Steam region. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So, the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Steam. So, I'll show you guys the way that you can change your location. So, according to the Steam's official website, to check your current location, you need to go to your store. And after you are on your store on your Steam, you will see the country option right here. Now, that is your region right there. Now, if you want to change, you will see that you will have to move to a new place and you need to buy something. That is, you need to make a purchase from Steam. And when you make the purchase, your store or your country region will be automatically changed. So it's that simple, guys. All you need to do is just make a purchase and you'll be able to change the region. So yeah, that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video too. Stay tuned for more upcoming video and don't forget to like the video. Bye bye. Take care.